know you're hurting, so you don't want to. You can do it. V8's pretty good. Sounds good. Thank you. Good to have fun. All right. Thanks, Rex.
How did Dave know I was standing up here thinking, man, I'm really thirsty. I sure could use a V8. That's awful. That's heartburn in a can is what it is. And that's like spicy. Do they make spicy V8? Oh, gosh. This talk just got really long. What's 50 minutes to you is going to feel like 3 hours to me. What time we got? A couple more minutes? Yeah, if you got some seats open next to you, please raise your hand. Still some seats up front if you're looking to sit down. If you're like me, you pretty much